In this tutorial, I would like to share with you a method of parametrizing the center of the circle. Imagine we have two reference planes, and in the middle of the intersection of those planes, we will have the center of our circle. So if I go to create extrusion, extrusion is just a sample shape. It will work with other shapes as well, or even with detail lines. So if I have the circle tool here and simply draw circle in the middle and click accept, after I move the reference planes, nothing happens. So what I would have to do is go back to the extrusion edit by double clicking on it and selecting the circle once it's drawn and activate center marks visible. It gives me the possibility to align it to the reference planes. So I click the alignment to the vertical reference plane and horizontal, and remember to lock it. Of course, I click accept and test it. So now when I move reference planes, it works perfectly. Of course, in more complex situations, you might have to create a new family and nest it inside your main family component. But for the simple designs, I think it's a better method. Just remember to activate the visibility of the circle center. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel and visit my site revituni.com, where you will find more interesting tutorials.